is a perfect tool as it combines utility and convenience, which making it a must-have hiking or camping gear for hunting, traveling and other outdoors activities. Works equally well even when wet or cold. This flint fire starter will be a lifesaver on your next outdoor adventure. It works fine anywhere, anytime and in any condition, including humid climate and when is windy. It's great for lighting up cigarettes, starting a fire and lighting a charcoal grill. The small design makes it easy to carry. It's a must-have for any outdoor trips. Whether you're out camping, hiking or any other outdoor activities, the permanent match is very helpful for any emergency situations.